Weather Service in Wilmington has extended the flash flood warning for southeastern Georgetown County in northeastern South Carolina until 3:30 p.m. At 1:17 p.m., the public reported heavy rain across the warned area. Between 3 and 5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by heavy rain. Source: public reported. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Newport View Colony, Pawleys Island, Whitney Bay Entrance, Yawkey South Island, Merle's Inlet, Litchfield Beach, and Waccamaw Community Hospital. Excessive runoff and rainfall will cause dangerous flooding, especially near creeks and streams, drainage ditches, and low-lying flood-prone areas. Turn around. Don't drown if you encounter a flooded road. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Stay away from storm drains, culverts, creeks, and streams. Water levels can rise rapidly and sweep you away. A storm surge